Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the computer and iPhone so the restore can run without interruptions. Connect the iPhone 11 to your Mac or PC with a known good cable, then force restart it. Press volume up, press volume down, then press and hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. Once done, open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or iTunes on older Mac OS/Windows, so the computer recognizes a device in recovery mode. This gets you to the point where restore or update options. Now proceed with the software step. When Finder or iTunes detects the iPhone in recovery, you'll see update and restore choices. Pick update to try reinstalling iOS without erasing data. Pick restore for a fresh install when update fails. The app will download the iOS firmware automatically. This can be a large file, so make sure your internet is stable and your computer has room. Once the download begins, follow prompts and let the restore complete without unplugging. The phone will reboot when finished. After the phone reboots, complete initial setup and restore your backup if needed. If you see errors or the process stalls, first retry the restore, swap the USB cable and port, and then attempt DFU mode if recovery mode won't work. Make sure the computer's OS and iTunes or Finder are up to date. Restarting the computer can clear transient issues. If problems persist, try the same process on another machine to isolate hardware problems before seeking professional support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.